Hello my dear student, welcome in biology class 10th, chapter number 9, heredity and evolution. In this chapter we will learn about the detail about heredity, their inheritance, law of inheritance, Mendel rule and regulations, etc. In your prescribed syllabus, only we will learn in this chapter in session 2021 about only the detailed heredity. Evolution part is reduced from your syllabus in this year. This is part 1. So let us one by one, what is genetics, what is variation, and what is heredity. One by one you can make by the video your notes for your preparation of board exam. This is important, and from this chapter in your examination near about 10 mark will come, and that can enhance your percentage in the board exam. So let us consider one by one, my dear student. What is first is what is genetics? Genetics in Hindi it is called anuvanshikta, but focus only English. Genetics is the branch of science that deals about heredity and variation. Genetics is the branch of science that deals with heredity and variation. जेनेटिक क्या है? साइंस का एक ब्रांच है जिसमें हम लोग हेरिडिटी और वेरिएशन पढ़ते हैं. किसके अंदर? ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर, एनिमल के अंदर, प्लांट के अंदर. सो लेट अस वन बाय वन. Once again, genetics is the branch of science which deals about heredity and variation. Next is the about heredity. What is heredity? Heredity means the transmission of features, characters, their trait from one generation to the next generation. Heredity क्या है? Heredity is the transfer or transmission of features, character and traits of organism from one generation to the next generation, from parent to the progeny, and from progeny the next progeny continue. This one. Heredity is the transferring of character, general their feature, and also their trait. Trait means होता है भैया, trait means होता है their primary structure view. So about characters, features and traits transfer from one generation to next generation. Example, just like human beings, their father and mother characters go in their child from parent to progeny. So this is called heredity. Heredity means transmission of character, feature and traits from one generation to the next generation. एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन पे किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म का उसका जनरल फीचर, उसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर और उसका ट्रेट जो है ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. उसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं क्या? हेरिडिटी. नेक्स्ट वन इज द वेरिएशन. वेरिएशन मींस चेंज. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन or among the individual of the species or population are called variation. Difference between the individual of the species, किसी species के अंदर जो difference होता है या किसी population के अंदर जो difference होता है, जो अंतर होता है, स्पष्ट होता है, उसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? variation. Variation is the important part of the animal classification because that shows the different characteristic feature and their traits of the organism. So variation is the difference between the population or among a individual species of a particular area. This variation takes place due to the environmental change, crossing over, recombination of gene and mutation. This variation takes place by the environmental change. Environmental change means when environmental condition is hot and humid, the some organism migrate from one place to another place by the temperature and by the crossing over. Crossing over means one hybrid variety of organism is crossed over by the another that produce the new product, but their character and their feature and their traits and their genetic material transfer from one generation to the next generation, and by the recombination of gene. This variation also takes place by the recombination of gene. When two variety of gene means combined together, that show the variation. And also last one is the mutation. Mutation is a relationship by which we can organisms show the difference between them. So these are the about introduction, genetics, heredity and variation. It is important for your competitive exam. One word question come from what is genetics, what is variation, what is heredity in your board exam. Next topic is genotype and phenotype. Genotypic and phenotypic. Genotypic is a character and phenotypic character. About these two characters, genotypic character is the presence of internal and that is so the gene level, and phenotypic character means that shows the observable means primary structure that why we can see our eye. Simply we can say this look like any object. This is chalk. This show the outer looking, this is the chalk, but internal what is this chalk is made up of, what of which compound is not clear, but externally we can observe this is chalk. So this is phenotypic. We can observe the observable character is known as phenotype, and the genotypic means gene level character. So here two topics of genotype and phenotype. What is genotype? The complete set of genes in an organism genome is called genotype. Complete set of a gene in a organism genome is called genotype. किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर जो एक कंप्लीट सेट है जीन का, उसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? जीनोटाइप बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट फिनोटाइप. फिनोटाइप मींस ऑब्जर्वेबल कैरेक्टर्स इन एन ऑर्गेनिज्म मेक द फिनोटाइप. ऑब्जर्वेबल मींस जो हम किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म को देख करके, जैसे हमारे हैंड्स में 5 फिंगर हैं तो हम देख करके बता देंगे 1 2 3 4 5. तो ये क्या ऑब्जर्वेबल, जिसको देख करके बताया जाए कि कैसा कलर है, काउंट है, कैसा मतलब इसके बारे में देख करके बताया जाए, उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे क्या? फिनोटाइपिक. एंड फिनोटाइप इज ए मॉडिफाइड ऑफ जीनोटाइप. जीनोटाइप का ही मॉडिफिकेशन क्या है? फिनोटाइप है. एंड मेनी ऑफ द फिनोटाइप कैन नॉट बी इनहेरिटेड. कई ऐसे फिनोटाइप हैं जिसको हम इनहेरिटेड नहीं कर पाते, मींस उसका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं हो पाता. नेक्स्ट, क्लोन आर दोज ऑर्गेनिज्म व्हिच आर एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ ईच अदर. ये वन वर्ड में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. व्हाट आर क्लोन? सो क्लोन आर ऑर्गेनिज्म व्हिच आर एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ ईच अदर. क्लोन क्या होता है? किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म का एकदम एग्जैक्ट कॉपी होता है. जैसे हम लोग फोटोकॉपी लेने जाते हैं अपने किसी मैटर का, एजुकेशन मटेरियल, उसी का फोटोकॉपी एग्जैक्ट रहता है. बस थोड़ा अंतर क्या होता है? प्रिंट में अंतर होगा, लेकिन मैटर क्या होगा? एक होगा. सो क्लोन आर द एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ दोज ऑर्गेनिज्म व्हिच आर एग्जैक्ट ईच अदर. सो दिस आर अबाउट जीनोटाइप, फेनोटाइप एंड क्लोन. ये सब वन वर्ड में क्वेश्चन आएंगे आपके शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन में. व्हाट इज जीनोटाइप, व्हाट इज फेनोटाइप एंड व्हाट आर क्लोन. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मेंडल एंड हिज वर्क ऑन इनहेरिटेंस. मेंडल और उनके वर्क क्या थे? सर ग्रेगर जॉन मेंडल 1822 and 1884 he started his experiment on plant breeding and hybridization. सर ग्रेगर जॉन मेंडल ने स्टार्ट किया क्या? अपना एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किसके ऊपर? एक प्लांट के ऊपर, ब्रीडिंग प्लांट के ऊपर, और उसके साथ साथ उन्होंने क्या बताया? अबाउट हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. एंड ही आल्सो प्रपोज्ड लॉ ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। इन्होंने और क्या दिखाया बताया, लॉ ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस इन द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर इन्होंने बताया कि कैरेक्टर ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, लॉ ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस। इसी के साथ और उन्होंने क्या क्या बताया था, लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस, लॉ ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन एंड लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट। Three term and three experiment also given by law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent by Geiger, Johann Mendel, and Mendel also known as father of genetics। इसमें शॉर्ट नोट पूछा जा सकता है आपके एग्जाम में कि राइट अबाउट ग्रेगर जॉन मेंडल and his work on his inheritance, and one word question from this, who is the father of genetics? Father of genetics is Mendel. Generally you know, you can write the Mendel, otherwise your full name, his full name Gregor John Mendel is the father of genetics। Once more, Gregor John Mendel was scientist, started his experiment on breeding plant and hybridization, and he also proposed the law of inheritance in the living organism, and as well as he proposed the law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independent assortment in the organism। Gregor John Mendel also known as the father of genetics। This is all about introduction of this chapter number 9, heredity and evolution। About we'll learn about what is genetics, what is variation, what is heredity, what is phenotype and clone। At last we know that about the Mendel and their work, and also studied about father of genetics is Gregor Johann Mendel।